Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Today we're talking about how to remove your property information from public records. Your home address, the price you paid for it, and even tax details are often just a few clicks away for anyone online. This exposure can lead to a flood of junk mail, endless sales calls, and most importantly, serious privacy and safety risks. While completely erasing this information from existence is very difficult because it is, by definition, public, you can take several key steps to significantly reduce your visibility and make it much harder for people to find. First, you need to understand the source. The primary records are held by your local county government, specifically offices like the county recorder or tax assessor. These government entities are legally required to maintain these records for transparency. Complete removal from this source is rare, but some states offer address confidentiality programs. These are typically reserved for individuals in specific situations, such as victims of domestic abuse or law enforcement officers. You should search your state government's website to see if you qualify for such a program. For most other people, the most powerful strategy at the source level is to obscure ownership. This means not holding the property in your personal name. Instead, you can use a legal entity like a private trust or an LLC to own the property. Your name is then replaced by the name of the trust or LLC on the public deed, adding a crucial layer of anonymity. This is a more complex step that requires legal assistance, but it is the most effective way to protect your privacy from the very beginning. The next major battleground is with online data brokers. These are the countless websites, from big names like Zillow and Redfin to smaller people finder sites, that scrape data from county records and publish it online. This is where you can take direct and immediate action. You must visit each of these websites individually and request to have your information removed. Look for a link in the website's footer that says Opt Out, Privacy, or Do Not Sell My Personal Information. Each site has its own unique, and often frustrating, removal process that may require you to verify your identity. This is a manual and time-consuming task, and you have to repeat it for every single site that lists your property. Furthermore, your information can reappear later, so it's an ongoing process. If this sounds like too much work, you can look into paid data removal services. These companies will handle the tedious opt-out process for you on an ongoing basis for a subscription fee. Thank you so much for watching this guide on protecting your property information. We hope these steps help you reclaim a piece of your personal privacy. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more content that helps you stay safe and secure.